Guys, welcome to our channel Mystic Tarot World. Today we are going to see what's happening for Cancer in July 2020 in their love life. This is a bonus reading. I have already done a reading for Cancer. Okay, if you haven't seen that already, I will link you that video in description or in the first pinned comment. Okay, so let's just focus on your person's feeling, how they are feeling, how they are what they're thinking about you, what the actions are going to be. So let's see. This is a general reading, guys. This is not a personal reading, so it might not resonate with everyone here. Okay, so just keep that in mind. Let's see what's happening for the Cancer. Ace of Swords. Okay, might be dealing with an air sign, Gemini, Libra, Aquarius. Three of Cups, a water sign, Pisces, Cancer, Scorpio. The World. Okay, let's see what you are feeling about this person and this connection. Let's focus on your feelings. Temperance, quite balanced. Four of Wands. Okay, I think you know what you want and you want them. The Lovers card. I'm definitely seeing you are quite balanced. You want this person, you want things to go further. You are head and heels in love with this person. You love this person a lot, from where I'm seeing this with this Lovers card. Okay, I'm seeing your person, they want to take an action. Might be they were confused in the past, they were not being clear about what they want in this relationship. I'm also seeing this person wants to reconcile with you. They want to come back with you. They want to offer their love, their feelings. They want to be very direct with what they want. This person is going to come back with an offer, and this offer and or this action is going to be very direct. There is no doubt about what they feel about you. Okay, I'm also seeing this person were in a third party situation. Maybe it was a person, maybe this was another situation, maybe this was their career, their finances, or maybe their family, whatever it was, but now they're out of it with this Three of Cups. I can definitely see with this Three of Cups and the World card, I am seeing they have completed cycle with someone and they're out of this, out of that relationship or that situation. Okay, if it was third party for you all, I'm seeing them coming with a direct offer with this Ace of Swords. They're going to be very direct and very clear about what they want. They will put their thoughts and their feelings towards this relationship very straight. They're going to be very straight and very clear about what they want. Okay, they will not keep their feelings hidden anymore. Okay, as far as I'm seeing on your side, you want this person to, you might be in a twin flame journey with this person, and you want them very badly. You might be dealing with a fire sign, Aries, Leo, Sag. You might be dealing with someone who is quite who was not clear about their intentions, who was not clear about the commitment, but now they are. They have left everything and they are coming back to you. Okay, I'm seeing you want stability with this person. You want with this Temperance and Four of Wands and the Lovers card, I see you being very open and very clear about what you feel for this person from the very start of the relationship. You knew you wanted this person. You knew you want to marry this person. You knew what you want out of this relationship. With this Lovers card, basically what I'm seeing here is you have no doubt about how you feel about this person. You know you love this person, you belong to them, and you both are made for each other. With this Four of Wands and the Lovers card, I can see you both are made for each other. This was destined to happen. You both were destined to meet, and there are no doubts from your side or their side about this relationship. You both know what you want. Okay, with this Temperance card, I can definitely see you being becoming quite balanced, and now you are more sure like what you want from this person. You are more sure about what you want from this relationship. You have no more doubts from this about this relationship. And when this person will offer you, you are going to be very sure that yes, I want to be with you. You will be very sure that let's start. If you want, then there is nothing like it. We won't look back. Okay, I won't question you. I won't ask for any explanation if there was a third party situation before. I'm not going to ask anything, but I want your love. This is going to be your perspective, okay? With this Three of Cups and Four of Wands, if we see at this, I think this person was confused with you and the other situation, with you and the other person, but you were very sure about marrying this person from the very start. You knew you want this person, you knew you want this relationship to go further, okay? And they are coming out of the third party situation, don't worry, okay, in this July. With this World card and the Lovers card, I think they want reconciliation. They are coming back. They are going to offer you with this Ace of Swords their love, and you're going to accept that without a doubt. You want them. You want nothing else but this person. Okay, so yes, very beautiful reading. Let's pull out some more cards to see the mutual energies. What are the mutual energies? Okay. With the Three of Wands, I think definitely this person was juggling you and the other person, or you are the other situation, and they have surrendered now. They want to give everything, their heart and soul to you, and in this relationship they are done with juggling things, okay? They're not going to juggle things, and you on the other hand, you are ready to receive their apology, you are ready to receive their love, this communication. You are quite balanced. You know they were going to come back to you all this time, so you are not quite shocked with their decision. You will be happy that they are coming back. They understood their mistake, they realized what wrong they did to you. Okay, let's see one more. Ten of Pentacles. With this card, I can see you both are quite compatible with the things you do in your life. They are quite stable in their life, you're quite stable in your life, and you both make a very good partners. You both make very good partners. You both are like made for each other. I told you from the very beginning. Okay, so definitely they see this now. You knew this from very first, that you both are made for each other, but this person was not quite sure, but now they have the same understanding and the same wisdom about this relationship. Okay, Queen of Pentacles. I think you both will, when this person comes back and asks for your forgiveness, they will start talking about what new to bring to this relationship, what new to do. They were lost and incomplete without you. They feel as if you're the only thing they want in their life, like they have everything but not you, and this was the thing they were missing in their life. Okay, so these are your mutual feelings, and you are ready. I don't see any doubt in your feelings. You are quite sure you want this person. Let's see what advice do we have for you. What advice do we have for Cancer? Gratitude. Be grateful for abundance. Live in appreciation for what you have, and more good things will come. I think you must show gratitude for what you have. You must appreciate the very small things about this person. I think you are quite grateful that you have this person in your life. I can see from your feelings over here. You have no doubt you are not being unkind to this person. You have always been grateful for whatever good moments they gave you, and you're quite happy by having this person in your life. Okay, let's see one more card, one more advice card. Expectation. Be open for whatever comes next. It might just be the music your heart's been waiting. I think you must appreciate the very little things that are coming in your way. If this person is coming back, you just have to be patient with that. Okay, you don't have to be harsh on yourself. Don't keep any expectations, and see the magic. This person is going to definitely come back to you. Okay, as far as I'm seeing this, Cancer, this is going to be a very good month for you. If they haven't come yet, the month is not over. Okay, so just keep hopes high, but do not be on hold. Do not keep your energy stagnant. Just keep working on your life, and your just be positive. Okay, so this was it for Cancer. I hope you liked this reading. If you did, Please like, comment, share. I would really appreciate that. And if you are new to my channel, please consider subscribing my channel, as I put such quick updates on my channel. So yes, see you in next video.